to our Ounuo machinery. Now let me introduce to you about our leader nonwoven sheet-to-bag one-time foaming machine.
The feeding part adopts the high-end automatic feeding function of feeding sucker, and the efficient and intelligent servo system makes the feeding of sheet materials simpler and more stable, and it can be easily controlled by one person. The pneumatic folding function of the new machine has been upgraded to electric hot pressing folding, and the high speed and stability make your bag making simple and efficient. Handle length from 280 to 630 mm. One-click automatic adjustment of handle spacing.
Customized for small orders. Our latest third-generation leader nonwoven sheet-to-bag one-time foaming machine, perfectly matched with offset printing, solve the troubles of small order production for you, reopen a market, and wins the profit. You deserve it.
Automatic centering of the handle by positioning the photoelectric eye, improving the quality of the bag, and completely solving the problem of twistage caused by the offset of the handle. The grabbing manipulator adopts the function of automatically adjusting the front and rear seams to keep the front and rear seams of the bag consistent. Through the matching automatic bag folding machine and bag sorting machine, the bags are smooth and the counting is accurate, which is the perfect choice for you to produce nonwoven box bags.
Perfect for small orders. Give your customer an exclusive customization. Welcome to contact with us. A professional engineer team will provide you best services. See you next time. Bye bye.